Why read all this?
When you could read our lean and mean summaries. The algorithm is split into two main parts.
The first part solely relies on the article itself. This part has two main factors, the cohesive factor and the readability factor. The cohesive factor uses the TF-IDF model. This method uses both the raw frequency and the logarithmic value of the inverse document frequency as a means of calculating the true value of a word by looking at how many times it appears in the document, but also offsetting that by if it appears too many times, such as a word like the or a or other articles or things that appear frequently but don't actually have value in the text.
The second part consists of the brain. For each subject, a memory log is read that contains weighted words. Each time we run the algorithm, the memory will be updated and evolve, producing an even better summary.
These two methods work seamlessly. The readability factor ensures that not only are our summaries cohesive and relative to the topic, but they're also readable, such as the summaries don't start with words like he, she, but, because. The PHP portion of our project populates the SQL table with the most recent links from the New York Times RSS feed and the corresponding bodies and subject. The RSS scraped.php file visits each link on the RSS feed by subject and grabs the article content by calling the find function, which is defined in simple HTML DOM PHP.
From there, we use connect.ml to grab the data from the SQL table and bring it into our OCaml program. Our summarizer offers two ways to summarize. Typing in /sum will pull a news article from the New York Times and summarize it for you. It offers the 4 top sentences from the article, subject, date, title, as well as the original link. Often, it is nice to compare it to the original article, 1, to see the value of the summary, and 2, to read more if you're interested. Here you can see that we summarized quite a lengthy article into a 4-line summary. We also offer the capability to summarize any text file. Here we have summarized a text file from a past class. You can hand it any text file and it will return a nice 4-line summary. We hope you have enjoyed this presentation of how the lean and mean summaries works.